Hello, my little readers. Welcome back to Tiny Talent Academy. Today, we are learning the at word family. A word family means many words that end the same. When words end the same, they sound the same. The ending for this family is at. It sounds like at. Now let us learn some at words. Cat, k, at, cat. Bat, b, at, bat. Hat, at, hat. Mat, at, mat. Rat, at, rat. Very good reading. Now, let us read all the at words together. Cat, bat, hat, mat, rat. Very good. Now we will build more words with the at ending. Remember, at is the ending sound. We will put a new sound in front of at to make a new word. At, at. Good job! Now let's add p in front of at. P, at, pat. Wow, you did it! Next, add f in front of at. F, at, fat. Great work! Now let's add s in front of at. S, at, set. Well done! These are new words we just made. Pat, fat, set. Now, let us break the new words into sounds. This helps with spelling. Pat, p, a, t. Fat, f, a, t. Set, s, a, t. Wonderful! Now it is test time. Read these at words with me. P, at, pat, f, at, fat, s, at, sat, at, cat, b, at, bat. If you read all the words, give yourself 5 golden stars. You did an amazing job today. You learned the at family. You learned how to blend. You learned how to read. And you learned how to build words. Thank you for learning with Tiny Talent Academy. If you liked this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye, my little readers. See you soon.